Welcome to Wonderbox Jadui Pitara. In this video, we'll explore a series of interactive classroom activities designed to make learning hands-on, engaging, and meaningful. Kit includes 10 activities, focusing on numeracy, literacy, logical thinking, and creativity. Activity 1, Word Formation by joining Vyanjan, flipping card activity. In this activity, children flip cards to join Vyanjans and form simple Hindi words. It enhances sound recognition, sequencing, and word construction. A perfect way to make Hindi reading engaging. Activity 2, Read and Find, Phonics CVC, and Sight Word Game. Children pick a card, read the word, and spot its picture, just like a classroom treasure hunt. This activity promotes visual discrimination, vocabulary growth, and reading confidence. Activity 3, Numbers, Shapes, and Alphabets, Puzzle with Abacus. This all-in-one puzzle introduces counting, shapes, simple addition, and subtraction through tactile play. Children explore mathematical relationships using colorful foam pieces and rings. Activity 4, Dropper Art Painting. In this sensory art activity, children use droppers to mix colors on cotton pads and watch new hues appear. It builds fine motor skills, focus, and creative exploration. It promotes curiosity, observation, and joyful experimentation. Activity 5, Wild Farm Animals and Birds Puzzle. These themed wooden puzzles help children recognize and classify wild farm animals and birds. The activity develops logical reasoning, vocabulary, and spatial understanding. Activity 6, Small Letter, Foam Alphabets, Vowels and Consonants. Children explore small foam alphabets, sorting vowels and consonants while tracing and sounding them out. This builds phonemic awareness and letter recognition. Activity 7, Pattern and Shapes Learning, 88-piece foam transport set. Using colorful foam shapes, children design transport vehicles like cars and airplanes. They experiment with patterns, geometry, and creativity. This open-ended play enhances spatial reasoning and problem solving. Activity 8, Festival Theme, Spot the Match Card Game. Step 1. Take out the cards from the bag and shuffle them nicely. Put the shuffled cards face down and play this game with 2 to 4 kids. Now, pull out cards and give one card to each player. Draw one card from the pile and put it on a table in face-up position. Now the child has to identify the common elements between the hand card and the face-up card. The player who identifies the common match first will keep the combination of cards. Keep playing similarly until the card pile is over. The player who gets the most of the combination will win the game. This activity develops memory, attention, and cultural understanding. Activity 9, Shoelacing Activity. The shoelacing activity helps children practice fine motor skills and independence. As they lace and tie, they build hand-eye coordination and patience. Activity 10, Heart-shaped pattern sticks and finger puppets. Using 15 heart-shaped pattern sticks pair, children create symmetrical designs. This activity fosters logical thinking, sequencing, and pattern matching. Draw any character on the wipe and clean circular cutouts, and with the use of Velcro dots, put it on the finger puppet base. This activity fosters imagination, social interaction, and creative expression. Each activity brings learning to life, making abstract concepts tangible and fun. With these kits, teachers can create joyful, engaging classrooms where every child learns by doing.